So after battling this weed area up here for years, and it originally was lawn, we planted these lavender, and now I'm going to put this ground cloth down like you're seeing and create like a little rock river in the middle to distribute rainwater to each plant as it comes in, and also to make it easier to water. So you can see it starting to take shape. Alright, it's the end of the day. Got this all in. Watered the plants. So it's nice and clean. And it makes good use of the rainwater in an area that's easy to maintain. It's all covered, so there's going to be a lot less weed management. I'm really happy with the outcome.